Are you ready to master the art of machine preventive maintenance? This guide will walk you through the essentials of using eAuditor for scheduled machinery inspections. Discover how to prevent failures and unplanned downtime effectively. A machine preventive maintenance inspection is a scheduled procedure. It aims to identify and address potential issues before they cause failures. The process involves checking critical components, cleaning, and lubricating. Replacing worn parts ensures smooth and efficient operation. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of unexpected downtime. Begin by setting up your checklist with eAuditor's templates. Customize it for your specific machines and equipment. Ensure it covers visual inspection, lubrication, and component checks. Include performance testing and safety feature inspection. Start your inspection with a comprehensive digital checklist. Inspect for visible damage, wear, or leaks. Look for loose, cracked, or missing parts and document them. Use eAuditor's photo feature to capture these issues. Verify adequate lubrication of moving parts. Record the lubrication status in eAuditor after topping up or replacing as needed. Check critical components like belts, chains, and motors for wear. Tighten loose connections and replace worn parts. Document the condition in eAuditor for future reference. Run the machine to ensure smooth operation within specifications. Listen for unusual noises and monitor for overheating. Test emergency stop buttons and safety guards for functionality. Clean the machine by removing dirt and inspecting vents. Ensure filters and cooling systems are free from blockages. Calibrate machines for peak efficiency and adjust settings as needed. This ensures accuracy and optimal performance. By using eAuditor for machine preventive maintenance inspections, you ensure timely maintenance. This prevents costly downtime and optimizes machine performance. Efficient documentation and regular inspections are key to extending equipment lifespan.